Right now, 1,800 miles beneath your feet, there are two massive, continent-sized pieces of an alien world buried deep inside our planet. And they have been hiding there in the dark for 4.5 billion years. These anomalous blobs are millions of times larger than Mount Everest, and they are denser and hotter than anything else inside the Earth. For decades, geologists were completely baffled, with some of the world's top minds fiercely debating how they even got there. But recent, shocking data suggests these aren't just strange rocks, they are the literal remains of an ancient planetary collision. So, what exactly is buried inside our planet, and is it secretly controlling life on Earth? To understand this, we have to rewind to the very beginning. Standard geology teaches us that Earth's interior is mostly uniform, a solid crust, a flowing mantle, and a molten core. We map this underground world using seismic waves from earthquakes. Normally, these waves travel through the planet at highly predictable speeds. But here is where things get strange. When seismic waves hit two specific regions, one beneath Africa and one under the Pacific Ocean, they suddenly slow down. Drastically. These regions defy all known physics of our planet. What I am about to reveal next changes the entire history of our solar system, and it is exactly why thousands of space enthusiasts are joining our Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's greatest mysteries with us, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because what we found down there is terrifyingly beautiful. This mystery actually began in the 1980s when geophysicists first noticed these seismic dead zones, officially naming them LLSVPS, or Large Low Shear Velocity Provinces. For years, they were a complete enigma. Fast forward to 2019. A researcher named Xian Yuan at Arizona State University was sitting in a seminar about the formation of the Moon. He was looking at models of a hypothetical Mars-sized planet named Theia, which supposedly smashed into Earth 4.5 billion years ago. Suddenly, a wild thought hit him. Where did the rest of that alien planet go? The leading theory, recently published in top scientific journals, is absolutely mind-blowing. Those giant, dense blobs under Africa and the Pacific? They are the intact, molten remains of the alien planet Theia. Imagine taking a giant scoop of a foreign planet, slamming it into Earth, and letting it sink like a rock in a pool of honey. Scientists around the world are now realizing that Earth isn't just one planet, it is a Frankenstein world, stitched together from two separate planets. It perfectly answers where Theia went, but it leaves us with an even bigger, more unsettling problem. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when you thought we had it figured out, new data reveals these alien blobs aren't just sitting there peacefully. They are pushing upward. Some geologists argue these dense structures are actively fueling supervolcanoes, like the ones in Hawaii and Iceland, by shooting massive plumes of heat straight up to the crust. Others think they might be interfering with Earth's magnetic field, the very shield that protects you from deadly solar radiation. This affects how we see our very existence, and I genuinely want to know what you think. Are these alien planetary blobs just harmless remnants of a dead world, slowly melting away? Or do you think they are an active, dangerous force inside Earth, ticking like a geological time bomb? I want you to drop your wildest theories in the comments below. Do you vote harmless fossil or ticking time bomb? Let's debate this down there. Think about the massive implications of this. By the end of this video, you will understand that you aren't just walking on Earth. You are walking on an alien graveyard. This changes everything about how we search for life in the universe. If the collision with Theia didn't happen, Earth might not have gotten the specific mix of heavy elements needed to form our atmosphere. We wouldn't have the Moon, which stabilizes our seasons. Without these alien blobs buried deep inside our mantle, human beings might not even exist. Planetary scientists are now pointing their telescopes at distant star systems, looking for similar violent collisions, realizing that absolute planetary destruction might be the secret ingredient for creating life. Fortunately, we are on the brink of mapping this underground alien world with unprecedented clarity. Next-generation seismic arrays are currently being deployed across the ocean floors to create high-definition, 3D models of Earth's deep interior. And up in space, the James Webb Space Telescope is analyzing the atmospheres of distant rocky planets, hunting for the chemical signatures of massive planetary collisions just like ours. Science is progressing at lightning speed. We are no longer just guessing about our origins, we are actually seeing the fingerprints of creation. It proves that even out of unimaginable chaos, the universe can engineer a perfect, life-sustaining oasis. But this isn't the only massive secret hiding right beneath our noses. What you are about to see next changes everything. In our upcoming videos, we are investigating the massive subterranean ocean hidden deep within Earth's mantle that holds more water than all surface oceans combined, and we are exposing the terrifying anomalies recently detected on the dark side of the moon. Thank you for exploring the cosmos with us. Remember, the fact that you are here, breathing and watching this video, is the result of a multi-billion-year-old cosmic accident. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.